Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors, and finally the most awaited notification has been out, which is definitely Maharashtra CET for MBA. Now, if you look at the dates are already out, I will be putting the link in the description. You can check that out. But here's a quick snapshot of the exam. So the exam is happening in the month of March, and this time it's happening actually middle of the month. So you guys get a little bit of grace period out here. So the exam date is 14 and 15. So it's going to happen on 2 days. Now, in this video, actually, I'm not going to give you guys a lot of ideas and strategies wherein, I will be making different videos altogether. But let's understand, what you have currently, as far as CET is concerned. For the fact it's happening in the second week of March, you have 3.5 months with you. And trust me, no doubt this exam is a bit tough. But if you look at from my perspective, in 3.5 months, you can definitely crack this exam. Now, according to me, this exam is a bit easy and this exam is a bit moderate, right? Now, why would I say that? That is something I will be explaining you guys when I make these strategy videos. I don't want to kind of fill in everything here. So, number one, let's say if somebody starts from 10th of December, or let's say somebody starts from this Sunday itself, to prepare for MHCET, will that guy be able to crack JBIMS irrespective of his OHU, HU or OMS, whatever? Now, let's talk about 99.99 percentile. Is it really possible? The answer is absolutely yes. But there is one crux and there is one, there is one twist out here. Now, 99.99 is possible provided you follow a couple of do's and don'ts, which is most importantly a strategy part, because it's been my experience from last couple of years that we do prepare a lot for CET, but we kind of miss on the strategy, which is the most required strategy. If you talk about JBIMS cutoff, is 99.94. This is the historical one. I'm not going to give any kind of a prediction about score and percentile. It doesn't really matter, or it doesn't really happen in reality. So 3.5 months you have to make it to top 10 B school of the country. What to study, what not to study, how to go about your CET, because understand this, like CET is an exam which is pretty much delicate. When I say delicate, what I mean to say is that you cannot go randomly and you cannot have opposite preparation, because 1 mark down and you're coming from JB to Sydenham, wherein you have Zameen Asman ka farak. Because if you look at JB's average package is 20 lakhs and Sydenham's, the highest package is around about 19 lakhs. So again, here you need a proper strategy to go ahead. You have to have disciplinary preparation. I will be making a lot of videos on that front. Tomorrow you will see the first video coming out of, on my channel. So that's going to be CET, the most important aspect for CET that every aspirant should do if you're really aiming at JBIMS. If you ask me, my target for CET is going to be JB, then it's going to be Sydenham, KJ, and then Wellinger. I am not looking at anything below these colleges. Now, what you need to do is from here, if you're preparing for SNAP or if you're prepared for CAT, and let's say for SNAP, you are a bit prepared for it. As far as CET is concerned, not completely, but definitely it's one of the most wonderful exams that you can go for. Gets an access to, JBIMS, which is one of the best college. Now, coming to the main crux. As far as CET is concerned, I'm going to start with the workshop across Maharashtra. So the workshops are going to be conducted in Pune. Then I'm going to have workshop in Mumbai. I'm going to have workshop in Nashik. Then there is going to be one workshop in Aurangabad. Aurangabad's date has already been done and dusted. That's December 22nd. So you will be seeing me in Aurangabad on December 22nd for CET workshop. We're also going to conduct a workshop in Nagpur and Kolhapur, right? So these are the cities that I will be traveling in next couple of months to help you guys to crack CET. Fair enough. Now, you can still start with CET. If you are interested to join the program offered by C2C Mentors, you can definitely join for it. Last year we have last year 99.97, 99.99, 99.96, 99.95 is from C2C Mentors. So you can definitely join these leagues this year also. But yeah, keeping aside, preparation and all that stuff, it's a feel-good factor that finally the notification has been out, and I think this time these guys are literally being a bit proactive. So that's a good change on the CET front, where the notification has been out a bit in advance. So yeah, it's a good news. You all can start preparing for it. You can all start gearing up for it. As far as the mentorship is concerned, the guidance is concerned, strategies, do's and don'ts are concerned, I will be making a lot of videos on that front. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for the best content for CET and start preparing for CET right now. Thank you so much. That's it from my side, guys.